Good morning. We will start with fifth chapter of history and we will talk about the pastoralist in the modern world. In the previous lecture, we will discuss the movement of Gujjar Bakarwals in mountain ranges of Jammu and Kashmir. Now, moving on to the other group of people like Gaddi shepherds of Himachal region. They also followed the same similar cycle while moving up and down basis on the climatic seasons. Like in summer, they use also entered the Jammu regions in the region named as Lahore Spiti, where they used to have the meadows which grown in the summer seasons, where the snow starts to melt down, so you get the meadows ready for their herders. And moving into the winter, they also move downwards towards the south to the low hill of Shivaliks, where they find the fog for their herders like scrub forest. Like this, it has been a common phenomena of the people in the mountain range, they moving across due to the climatic changes. It is not only in the northern part, it's not found only in the northern part, it is also found in the eastern part, also where the far off east, it is Garhwal, Kumaon. Tribal people also move towards the Bhabar region. So, you know that Bhabar region, Bhabar is a different type of landform. Bhabar, a dry forested area below the foothills of Garhwal and Kumaon. So, this is some was settlement uh, to see in you see in this regions. In winter they move downwards and in summer they used to go upwards, that is in Bugyal's land region. Bugyal's land region means in high mountain regions, जो घास के जो मैदान होते हैं हाई माउंटेन्स के ऊपर, उन्हें बुग्याल्स कहते हैं. So now Bhabar and Bugyals, the some cycle we can observe here also. In winter they are moving towards the downlands, and summer they are moving towards the highlands. This cyclic movement is not only found in these Gaddi shepherds only between Garhwal shepherds, but in all the Himalayan region nomadic people, pastorals, that is the Bhutias, shepherds, Kinnoris, all these nomadic people who move on according to seasonal changes. Whenever they find that the food and fodder availability for their cattle is ending up, they immediately shift their location to another place in searching of good pasture lands for their cattle. This is actually very useful because the continuous exploitation of grass or pasture lands can resulting overuse of that particular place. Because of these people moving one place to another place, this overuse is getting reduced. That's what we can observe from here. Now, what happens in plain region? Till now we have discussed about the mountain regions, that is in the Himalayas. They are moving upward or downward basing on the climatic changes. What will happen in the plain lands? Let's find out. Now moving on to other group of the pastoral community, that is Dhangar. Dhangar are one of the prominent nomadic groups who stay in Maharashtra state. Their population was nearly 4,67,000 in the early 20th century. So these were huge in population. They usually used to do work like blanket weavers, and they were also buffalo herders. Before we saw in mountain range, we saw the sheep and the goat herders. Now moving on, in which region they used to stay? They stay in the central plateau. What is the significance of the central plateaus? The central plateau is a semi-arid region, very low rainfall, and here you find the scrub thorny forest for the herders here. Here very rarely we find crop grown. Here that is only bajra crop is grown here. And as the monsoon enter here, it is a semi-arid region. So then they moved in month of October. They moved towards the west. They moved towards the Konkan coast. Konkan peasants welcome the herders happily. Why did they welcome them very happily? You know that? Because in the Konkan coast they have the flourishing agriculture. It is filled with agricultural tracts, and these tracts are very fertile, receive very heavy rainfall because the location of Konkan region is found in the between of Arabian Sea and Western Ghats. So because of the presence of the Western Ghats, the winds which come from the Arabian Sea and getting blocked by the Western Ghats, they caused rains on the Konkan coast. Because of that, these regions become very fertile and create flourishing agricultural tracts, which also makes a soil very fertile. So because of that, here you find the crop season on set, and the peasants wait to the pastoralists are come here with their herders, because they were in the time of kharif crop is cut. They want it to be clear and made it ready to the rabi crops. So they give all the waste cut parts of the buffalo herders, and after finishing that they also gave them rice for the dhangar to carry with them when they are back to the northern region, and they make the crop ready for the rabi season. And as soon as the monsoon sets in again, dhangar start to move back towards the northern lands. Why? Because in the monsoon region or in the monsoon climatic condition, it is very difficult for the herders to stay there. The animals could not survive in the wet climatic condition, so they need dry land. They can graze and they can stay there. So that is the reason why they start their journey back again, move back to the central plateau region. Yes, here we are finding that they are moving all along towards the west and all along towards back to the north. Why? Because the entire region has a similar type of climatic condition. If you want to have the new grass or pastures for the cattle, the entire region is dry. Obviously, you don't find anything wherever you go, so you have to change other type of climatic conditions. Where you find the flourishing agricultural tracts, that is the reason why the people of Dhangar are moving from Maharashtra to Konkan coast, and again they are moving back Konkan coast to the Maharashtra of central plateau land.